this video, we're going to be talking about how to recover your Snapchat My Eyes Only photos without a password. So this is going to be the only video that's not going to waste your time, and I'm going to be as forward with you as I can. So recovering Snapchat My Eyes Only photos without the password is not officially possible because the content is encrypted for privacy. If you forgot your password, what you can do is simply go ahead and reset the password, but it will permanently delete all photos inside. So that's also not going to be one of the ways you can go ahead and do so. So the only way you can go ahead and do so is going to be by contacting your Snapchat support. And all you need to do is simply go ahead and open any browser that you prefer using and simply go ahead and search for Snapchat support and click on this link right over here. Now, what you want to do is you can simply go ahead and write your problem right over here, or what you can do is also go ahead and find the chat option on the Snapchat. So click on Contact Us down here. And once you've done that, you'll need to simply go ahead and look for your problem. So simply go ahead and search for it, and that's going to be the easiest way. As you can see, if you have something very important, then you can simply go ahead and directly mail them. But as you can see, what I mentioned is the only thing that they're going to mention here as well. So just head to Snapchat email, support email, and then simply go ahead and email them your problem right over here. So I hope this video clarified everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.